So once again, good morning. Hope your day started nicely. And do not write anything, guys. Simply listen to it. So we are in the era of AI. Nothing we need to do, everything system will take care of it. In such a industry, in such a stream currently going on. So please don't go for the legacy method like writing in your notebooks and all. I'll give you the documents. Simply read it and follow. Or you want to take printout and go through it. So whatever I'm explaining, I'll give you the video and I'll give you the document. Don't write. Don't go for legacy approaches. It's a time waste for you and me also. Even I don't use notepad to write or type. Because graphically I cannot show anything. Even you cannot enjoy the session also. Very outdated process. And even recently we heard about Anthropic and many other AI components. And now there is a AI summit going on in Delhi. So you need to learn many things, guys. So by writing in the notepad or when you started writing in a notebook, you cannot get. It does not mean I will not give you from basics. I will give you from basics, and whatever you want to read, you take the printout, the document anyway you receive in your email ID, mobile number, WhatsApp level also we share, even email ID also you receive. Just go through it and ask your questions in tomorrow's session. First, there are two demo classes. For Power BI, only two demo classes. From this, you will understand what it is, what type of market we have, how do we have, and how can you try with your experience or as a fresher, and how the tool looks like. Is it easy to operate? Is it easy to operate? Etc. In today's session, complete market awareness I'll give you. In tomorrow's session, a practical I will give you. A practical. So both understanding is good enough to have a better startup Power BI. You can have a kick startup. No need of multiple other demo classes. First demo, second demo. Now let me go to first demo content. So important prerequisite information I'll give you for regular classes as well as for your knowledge. So in today's demo, you will come to know course detail, the market and usage area of Power BI, opportunities in Power BI, and AI features in the Power BI. Yep, we have AI enabled in Power BI, and what are the features available. So this part I'm going to explain today. And the first content is introduction part, course duration, institute offering. And then I will explain about data storages. So one by one like this. And the same document as it is you receive in your email ID and WhatsApp level, please do not write anything. Let me explain you in detail and that too graphically. If you're new to IT or you don't have experience in IT, you may feel little panic with this, but very, very important and which you don't find other areas, I'm going to provide you. Listen to it. Some people say, sir, your demo is really nice because a lot of content we get from the demo. Because I cover opportunities, market with statistics. In today's demo, you will understand data analyst, data engineer, report developer, these differences also. All you will come to know. And tomorrow, anyway, we start regular Power BI practical, Power BI components, Power BI software installation. All that stuff tomorrow I will cover. Okay. Yes, sir. Someone raise their hand. Please ask your question.
It's me, Sayed. Hey, sorry, sir, the interruption of the session. Having these two demos, I just have a request for you. Are we going to cover up with any administration stuff of Power BI? Is it only the development area that we are going to be cover?
Yeah, here we are going to cover 80% administration part in Power BI.
80%.
Correct.
Administration.
Yep, yep.
Let's say the performance issues and how to manage the users and all these things, right?
Yes, yes. How to provide access to the users, how to control the storage, how to
All right.
install the gateways, and all
Okay.
this stuff.
How to manage the
But
performance
only
level of
one,
the dashboards and all these things,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Only the thing is the premium capacity we don't have. The capacity operations we cannot discuss, but as all I will explain you. Whatever
All right.
possible with our cloud accounts. Even I'll give you cloud accounts also for your practice. And we're
Mhm.
going to discuss cloud for 10 days.
Well, thank you.
Great, sir. Thank you. Thank you for asking. And let me start. And first one, introduction, course duration, institute offering. So the course is majorly for report developers, analysts, and scientists. And even admin part also covering. You can try as a Power BI administrator. That I will cover. Don't worry. Training detail. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And you can call me in these timings. Usually in the demo level, many people take proper suggestions and guidance. Please do call me on this number in these timings. And I'm working lead consultant. The training type is basics to advanced. It's a very detailed training. 60 hours training, 60 hours, and daily 1 hour. And my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours. This is a major reason I'm not taking 2 hours per day. There are many navigating options and many expressions I need to explain during the class. It will take a lot of time for you to practice. So I usually prefer only 1 day, sorry, 1 hour, and my 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours for your practice. Sir, what about fast track if I'm looking for? You can attend my classes parallelly, 2 classes to complete in 1 month, or join for one batch, take previous batch videos. So in that way you can complete. No, sir, I dedicatedly require a trainer for fast track or one-on-one or any other session. Yeah, we do have trainers and ping me on this so that I will give you the respective contact number. You can reach out to them or my management will help you on this. That's the last option, but usually don't recommend that. Initially, students ask for fast track, but later they're converting to normal track. If you need crystal clear subject, prefer always normal track. And weekly, Monday to Friday compulsory classes and monthly 2 Saturdays. That too based on your interest, I will take. Class mode, online, offline. There are a couple of offline people too here. So online, offline, both available. And institution side, we provide daily live class video. Once the session completed, you will receive the video like this. So take any batch, morning 7 o'clock batch. 7 a.m. January started one batch. Right, this is going on right now. DAX important functions practice, February 13th to till this day, some sessions covered. Everyday video you receive, guys, in a sequential order. See, day one, first demo is January 5th, second demo January 6th, 8th, 9th. So one by one, you will see all sequential order. And the course include two near real-time projects. This ATM September batch already open. And if you look at this, you will see project 2 and project 1. Very strong projects I'm going to give you. Project 1. If you click on this, end-to-end practice. This is what required for a student. Or by desktop level, what we do, cloud level, what we do, including documents, a project document for your understanding. No need to refer and watch any videos in the online or anywhere. Compared to a real-time working professional, very good information will get it here. My knowledge, my neighbor's knowledge, my expert's knowledge, I place in this area. Even interview explanation, how to do project related questions in case they ask what to address. You will get a spoon feeding document. This is project 1. Similarly, I'll give you project 2. So the deployment concept is required, versioning is required. So everything I'll explain. Not only just placing the video, will address you. So and so video placed. Take something. 7 p.m. batch. Yesterday I covered this part. So video placed for 17th. Case study is going on right now. Yearly analysis based creation. Last 3 days, case study going on. Case study one, dimensions, facts, case study understanding and practice. Case study one, extract, transform, modeling, and the same case study continuing. Last 3 days, it's going on. So clearly, you'll understand what is happened, what is happening, how is it happening. Even will notify you if there is any update from the Microsoft. So very proper updation in your WhatsApp level, communication WhatsApp, email, call, message, etc. Even people prepare resumes, people face interviews, they ask questions. Let me show you. So people ask questions. And this girl is preparing for interview and she asked me, sir, I'm in a call, I'm unable to make print and preparation purpose, I require some material. So Madhusudan, if you see this, hi sir, good morning. Yesterday, one they asked experience in Power BI and also Databricks. What shall I do? Proper guidance. I'll help you in the resume and I'll help you in the guidance. And you can see here, sir, I'm facing so and so issue. This is just to let you know how I'm interacting with the students. Okay. And there are many people got job also, not one, two people. Hello, Vinay sir, this is David. Hope you are doing well. I got offer from IBM so and so. And it's almost like 150% hike. Thank you so much for your guidance. Not one, two guys, many people. These are all. This is one more WhatsApp. So it takes a lot of time to add here. But there are many people, guys, not one, two. But you want to see all those? I'll give you a testimonials. Please go to this institution testimonials. This is a link, guys. You can use it later. Sir, I just placed the same screenshot. And one more. Finally, I received offer from Capgemini, sir. 18 lakhs per annum. Genuine WhatsApp screenshots. Raju Ghosh. Sir, I got 12% hike for last year. So this is the way I'm having bonding with the students. And they also ask, sir, let me know when you are starting Power Automate. Hello, Vinay sir. Good afternoon. I'm happy to share some good news. So and so. And this person, Srikanth, need a session at TCS 30 lakhs per annum on Power BI and CCA 32 lakhs per annum. He's a senior Power BI resource. There are many opportunities, not one, two. So well settled people, hundreds of thousands available from this institute. What all you need to do is proper preparation, take guidance, whatever the help you require, as a certification help, interview question answer help, anything, reach out to me. Definitely I will address you. So materials theory, materials practical, both I will provide. Even the most important topic, DAX. For the DAX, we prepared exclusive material. So this kind of good materials you will find. DAX, it is a language. In Power BI, we use for calculations. This language material, first basics, quick measure, we prepared from the institution side for students' practice purpose. If I click text function, it will open text function, the respective theory, and also each function practical information, and practice way also. How to practice? Go to modeling menu, new measure, practice like this. And for visualization, for all topics, you find proper materials. FAQs and mock interviews. Yeah, FAQs anyway, I will provide with you. And this is the FAQs folder I share with you. Interview FAQs and project tools. So what are the interview questions you will get? I'll share with you guys. And we conduct mock interviews also for the people who are preparing for the interviews. And beside this, for environmental knowledge, not only you see Power BI and you work in Fabric level, Azure Data Factory resources you may join and operate. Power Apps people you may provide support. Then what is Power Apps? So what is ADF? What is Fabric? This understanding I will give you for 4 hours. For every batch we are giving, not only your batch. See, just take this batch, ATM September. I covered Fabric one session, Power Apps one session, on-premises Power BI one session, on-premises. Resume preparation, interview guidance also one session. These additional sessions I conducted beside projects and case studies. And SQL, and it is a language required to work with databases. I take 4 hours, and that 4 hours as part of classroom practice purpose. But real time, this 4 hours is not sufficient. My recommendation, learn whole SQL course wherever you want to learn. Prioritize 9 topics. Those 9 topics are needed for your interview purpose, real time working purpose. Once again, now 4 hours only I'm taking because my course permits only that time. But my recommendation, learn a whole course wherever you want to learn. Even we offer a strong SQL course, you can join here. And prioritize 9 topics. And mandatory, in case you want to try in IT, Power BI SQL Server is mandatory. And I will give you 2 near real-time projects. Yeah, that is sufficient to address all sorts of interview questions related to project. No need to refer any other documents or materials. Just follow that. And multiple case studies you will do it. Interview case studies gathered from various organizations. At the end, you receive course completion certificate.
Progress.
My training objective, maximum subject coverage, and you should be able to work easily in the companies. Interview scored a suitable subject. If anyone preparing for Microsoft Power BI certification, 70 to 80% easily I will cover in this area. Remaining 20-30%, if you reach out to me, I will provide you the dumps freely. You can use the dumps. In worst situation, and you will be in a position to generate visually stunning reports, no doubt in that. Because strongly visuals I cover, and the reports also I will generate here. This is my objective. Then who can learn, sir? Who is eligible to learn? Any graduate. If you look at any opportunity in the market, and any graduate is eligible. BA, BCom, BSc, and there are many people, hundreds of people who are from purely non-IT and general graduates like BA, BCom. They also got jobs. And Power BI, it's a low code component. No need to write much code, low code. And we have one small language called small and simple language DAX. I just opened the material and showed you. Because of this, we are calling as low code. Otherwise, it's a fully GUI component. And this is about training detail, institute providing, training objective, FAQs. Any questions do you have, guys? And who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. So no need to write anything. You will get the demo video and demo document. Just take printout or open your laptop and read it. Please do not write anything. Listen to it. Any questions you guys want to ask? Right. So, okay, sir, I learned this course 60 hours. Then what are the opportunities I'm eligible to try? Guys, please see. Yeah, someone raise their hand. Ask your question, please. Yeah, Mohammed, ask your question.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
Power BI is DAX is you are saying is complete programming language or a little bit,
It is a functional language, Mohammed. However, we write Excel functions the same way you write functions here. It's not
and
a
what?
scripting, it is not a programming language.
Oh, got it. And what about you have said 80% is administrator side. What about it's a development or Power BI or complete?
100% 100% development and support I will cover here.
Okay.
Administration side 80%.
Mhm. And SQL, what are those nine topics? Can you share that?
Yeah, I will show you. Don't worry today.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Right.
much for
Thank
clearing
you.
doubts.
Right, sir. So Power BI is opportunities. Okay, you learn Power BI fine. What it is, I will tell you in 2 minutes. But what are the opportunities you can try? See, there are different opportunities, not one, two. Wait for 15, 20 minutes. I will explain about these opportunities in detail. You must aware of these opportunities. Otherwise, your trial is a aimless trial. There should be a proper goal, which way you want to try. So I will explain after 5, 10 minutes. So please stay tuned. So far, the introduction, the course duration, institute offering, I explained. Now, before I go to what is Power BI, certain important things we need to know. First of all, data, and then what is BI, what is the report, then Power BI. Power BI is the last one. And in simple word, data, Power BI will take and generate report or dashboard or scorecard. That's it. So simply in between data and report, dashboard, scorecard, Power BI comes into the picture. So I'm going to give you some understanding about data, this understanding, and then I'll give you some understanding about this later Power BI. I will conclude Power BI, but this is in brief. And you guys going to learn this partially and this fully. And to implement it, Power BI level set of components available, concepts available. I'll explain in detail. And this course only goes for 2 months altogether. Right. First, data. So if you don't understand, you cannot understand job descriptions. So please listen to it. Data. Anything you are able to store is called data in IT. And there are 3 types of data available. Structured data, table, Excel, these kind of applications containing structured data, where column by column information available, ID, name, age, degree, column by column. This is structured data. Semi-structured, and we have different types of applications, and JSON is one file format, XML is another file format. They hold partially structured data. Example, university and student ID, one, student ID John, one and name John, and age 18, degree BSc, and student 2, name, age. So one side structure available, another side data available. So this is called semi-structured. Third one, unstructured. Your social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, documents, emails, this data is unstructured. So these are the 3 types of data which we see regularly. Either you are IT resource or non-IT resource, we see these three types of data. But how companies are placing this data? So these data companies placing some companies in file format, that is storage format, and some companies keeping this data in database table format, table. So only two storage formats in the market. One is file and second one database. But this file and database, where do they keep? Some companies keeping the area, storage area on premises. On premises in the sense, within your device, within your company, within your server, you are keeping the information. Now the images, videos, photos, all in your mobile level, that is on premises. But at the end of the day, or 1 week, one time, 1 month, one time, we'll move to cloud, either Google Cloud or Apple Cloud, etc. That is somebody else's storage area. So there are two storage areas, on premises and cloud. On premises, within your premises. Cloud, somebody else storage. Example, Google Drive. Today you receive the video through Google Drive. It's a cloud. OneDrive is a cloud. And Prime video you're watching, Netflix video you're watching, that is also cloud, streaming cloud, somebody else's storage area. So far, I explained about types, formats, storage areas. Now, data evolution. This is very important. Guys, initially, since 40 or after IT industry has begun, we were having only file system storage. This is the first storage. But there are some drawbacks. So scientists created database storage. 70s. It has some issues with more storage. So data warehouses are created. Third one. 90s. But market changed. People expecting a very proper storage for better operations. Fourth storage, data lake. And nowadays, for multi-purpose and wonderful storage, we are maintaining lake house. So data warehouse plus data lake. These two combination lake house. And of course, these two available only in the cloud level, only cloud. That means other organization storages like Amazon cloud, AWS cloud, or Azure cloud, Fabric cloud. These kind of clouds we use for these two, the modern storages. And these are available when you're on premises as well as cloud. Sir, could you explain me more about this? Don't worry, guys. I'll explain 30 minutes on this in the regular class, that too Friday. So what is file system? What is database? What is warehouse? Data lake, lake house. But remember the hierarchy only in today's session. So file system drawbacks overcome using databases. And compared to databases, warehouses are powerful for more storage. Compared to warehouses, lakes are good for certain operations. And nowadays, these two combo lake house. So these are the different storages. And in Power BI projects or in modern IT projects or AI projects, you may work on any kind of storage, especially AI projects nowadays using these three: warehouses, lakes, lake houses. So I will show you practically all these things in the regular class. And Power BI level also we use this hierarchy and components to generate reports. So this is in detail or in brief about data. Questions, please. I really appreciate if you'd ask questions. Even I will come to know that you're getting nicely. Bhavana, Bhavani, Chetan, Ganesh, Gautam, Kishore, Maheshwari, Mohammed, Naga, Rajesh, Triveni, Vindhya. Anyone having any questions on this? Okay, at least remember this for better knowledge. Next, then what is BA? Data is okay. Then BA. What is BA? Input output from BA. Difference between report, dashboard, and scorecard. Let me open everything and then next. BA stands for business intelligence. Abbreviation. Simply intelligence to the business. In other words, decision making or analysis of the business. Simply, it is a process converting your normal data into decision making data. So BA is a process converting normal data into decision making data. But how it shows? Through visuals and insights. Then what is visual? Visual is a component which will display data or data in graphical format. What about insight? So this is a visual, guys, graphical component, visual, 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 visual. And the deep understanding, accurate understanding of data is called insight. Now, in the BA level, you will work on modern BA. I'm talking about modern BA level. You will work on any type of data, anywhere, any storage. That's the reason I explained about data. You need to know about data. And finally, a report or dashboard or scorecard you will create nowadays. So these three. So any BA application you take, and the current modern BA applications, Power BI is the leader. Next to Power BI, Tableau. Next to Tableau, ClickView. These are modern and popular BA tools. Even we have a Cognos, Business Objects, Hyperion, MicroStrategy, and SSRS, many other reporting tools also available. But these three are modern BA tools and many companies are using. And they take any type of data, any data, anywhere, ultimately report a dashboard or scorecard created. Then what is report? So this is one example about report. This is one example about dashboard. And this is example about scorecard. Report. Report talks about detailed understanding of data. Anything you want to show in detail, we go to report. Many visuals available in the report level and broader visuals available, detailed visual. And especially this is for an individual operation explanation good. And that is the reason when you go to companies, you will see many reports. Not one, two, many reports you will see. In my last company, I was having 300 plus reports in my last company. But dashboard, not like that. These kind of reports, multiple we take and present high level data in a single area. Regarding a single subject area, we keep the information. That is a dashboard like this high level, not low level. So companies maintain always limited dashboards. In my same company, we were having only 12 dashboards, 12 subject areas. So report purpose, individual operation. Dashboard purpose, subject area or high level presentation, single view presentation. But whereas scorecard, this is like KPI card. Some people say key performance indicator card. If set of managers available, how many are on track? How many are pending? How many completed? How many behind? Something you want to see statistics, then we go for scorecard. So here and here, we cannot show. Only scorecard is the component which will show set of metrics. So scorecard contains set of metrics which will define, which will track, which will monitor goals. That's why people can also call KPI card, key performance indicator card. How many people completed, behind, are reached, not reached. Such kind of things, if you want to go, then go for scorecard. So any BA application will support this. And guys who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number so the demo video and demo document you will receive, and no need to write anything. And please don't write also. Let me show you practically the difference. Guys, this is a Power BI cloud. I said cloud, cloud, cloud. app.powerbi.com. It is a Power BI cloud. And we'll work on this 10 days. In this Power BI cloud, I already placed couple of reports. Workbook, 10 o'clock batch. For 10 o'clock batch, there is a project going on. Yeah, project is going on 17th on this. It's a report. See, so this is the company main page, dashboard page. Logo available, something scrolling, and different types of information available. And even here in the down, some information is there. Maybe it's an under progress. Supply data trend. When people click on it, it will go to supply data trend analysis. See, these are all called ES 14 suppliers data trending. Quarter 2 14 quarter 2 supply data trending. Say what is the total profits and sales growth, total purchases, total sales of the suppliers, and total sales of the suppliers. Amazon, Flipkart, these kind of organization project actually this is. We customers, we ask products for Amazon. Amazon will approach the suppliers and bring the products. Those suppliers analysis, those products analysis. And a particular 3 lab, this supplier, how much business generated, and what is the total profit of the supplier, sales growth, and cumulative sales current year, last year, 2 years prior, city wise, product wise, the respective supplier number of orders, total sales, total profits, and sales current year, last year by date, profit margin and lifetime profit margin, like this multiple. If this is done, when we click on it, it will go back. This is a main page, home page. And if you click on classifications, classification insights information. And top suppliers, how many available in this year, 14, or quarter 2, 14 quarter 2 top suppliers, how many? What are the total profits, total sales of the supplier, and total suppliers, total profits, etc. This is an individual report because of detailed data. This is an individual report because detailed data, and this is individual report, detailed data. But whereas this is called dashboard. Dashboard main page. It is under progress, so you're not able to see the main page properly, but otherwise you will see. It's a cloud, Power BI cloud. What I will do is I will upload one more to show you scorecard also. I'm importing. See here, there is something called paginated report. I will explain, don't worry, from this computer. In my computer, I will upload one more project. Inchcape. Vice President analysis. See, this is a report. Semantic model dashboard also. Let me click on the dashboard. It is single view. If you click on the dashboard, it will open. See, this is a scorecard actually, Vice President scorecard in this company. So if you select Andrew, Andrew Thompson, Andrew Thompson KPI information, how many new joinings every month, and new joinings, this vice president recruited, full-time, part-time, and age group wise, part-time, full-time, how much he recruited, full-time, how much recruited, male and female, how much recruited, and by pay type, hourly salaried, how much recruited, how much percentage recruited, how many and how much. This is a scorecard, not a visual, a scorecard regarding vice president. Even you want to create a scorecard, Microsoft provided a very quick approach. New item in the cloud level, new item. You can create a dashboard. You can create a scorecard. You can create a report. Even you can create a page-generated report. See this. Very simple. Dashboard you want to create, single page data story. Report you want to create, interactive presentation of your data. Scorecard, which will define, track your goals in the organization, and also page-generated report. I used a couple of minutes ago about lake house and all. See this? Lake house, event house, warehouse, semantic model, different types. Okay, so I clearly explained what is the report, dashboard, and scorecard. Now I'll go back. Types of report. Report is okay. But when you prepare a report, then how many types of reports available? Guys, I this is what we develop in Power BI level, as I showed you a couple of minutes ago. Report, and we call it as an analytical report, advanced report. Some people say non-paginated report, non-paginated, and non-paginated analytical decision making. Then what is paginated? Let me click. So in IT industry, there are two types of reporting. First one, paginated report. Since the beginning of IT available, legacy, traditional, regular reporting, since 17 available. Very simple. And you will see multiple pages. This is a page 1. You can go to page 2 by clicking on it. So each page level some number of records. Page 1, 10 records. Page 2, 10 records. Page 3, 10 records, like this. So data are divided into multiple pages and each page is printable. Example, you have 200 records and I need 20 pages or 20 records in every page and 10 pages required. This is called page-net reporting. Nowadays very hot and 90% companies asking about page-net reporting knowledge. So IT first type. And Power BI level, initially this was not available and we were having only non-page-net reporting and that to advanced reporting. Power BI announced in 2013. And since its inception or beginning, we were having only advanced reporting like this. So why, sir, the word advanced I'm using? Guys, if you go here, if you click on this selection, accordingly data, and if you click on it, a particular point-wise data, and if you select it accordingly, if you click on it, respective data. So pure advanced filterings, advanced slicing, and better visualizations. This is advanced reporting, analytical reporting, or decision-making reporting. But this kind of not possible. So, but Power BI people also added this kind of concept in 2017. So IT level, we are having two types of reporting. Now Power BI is supporting both the types. One is paginated report, second one non-paginated. Simply basic reporting and advanced reporting. Questions on this, please? I really appreciate if you'd ask questions. Okay, thank you. Now coming to Power BI. So what is Power BI and what it does? So first I explained about data, and BI will take data and generate this and then report multiple types. Power BI providing support. So if you conclude the definition, happily we can conclude. So what is Power BI? Some people say it's a versatile application which is suitable for visualization in multiple areas: report development level, business intelligence level, data analysis level, data science level, real-time analytics level. In all the areas, Power BI providing its support. It's a versatile application, not one, two. And definition two, Power BI, powering BI. or adding more power to existing BA. And at this point, I will elaborate. Power BI is a product of Microsoft. And initially, Microsoft given MSBA in 2005. Microsoft. This is purely on-premise. Everything we need to install in our local servers and operate. In 2010, the business intelligence given in the cloud. That is Azure BI. And here some features they brought, and they made an ultimate product, Power BI in 2013. So Power BI is a product of Microsoft in 2013 given by combining the features from both cloud and on-premises. That's why people say powering BI or adding more features to existing BI. Some technical experts say. Next, definition 3. This is purely given by the Microsoft. It is a low-code application, no need to write much code. Self-service application. Yeah, end-to-end Power BI will do. So the data, if you pass the report, the dashboard or scorecard, it will create it. And whatever the process required in between, Power BI will do. So this is called self-service BI component. And on-premises available, cloud also available. You can install in your company servers, or you can use Microsoft storage. For what? Generate reports of paginated, non-paginated, analytical, real-time intelligence, and dashboards. So Power BI is a low-code application, no need to write much code. End-to-end, it will do that. And on-premises and cloud both possible. And all types of reporting, it will provide support, including dashboards and scorecards. So these are the 3 definitions, and you are interested which one you want to answer in interview. Right. Now I will show you end-to-end process in Power BI. Kindly focus. Guys, look at my desktop screen. I clearly mentioned data, maybe from file or database or warehouse or cube or cloud, lakehouse, lake, any storage. This is the data. And Power BI desktop is one component which will help you to perform operations on this data. And the first operation is Power Query operation, and which will bring the data, transform the data, like appending, merging, combining, all these kind of operations it will do this concept. And also, if you want to perform your own operations, you can use a language, mashup language or M language. This is the first component in Power BI, that to desktop level. Second, once the data is ready, you can establish relationships. You can maintain a storage. That is Power Pivot or model. Don't worry, I will explain this tomorrow with a practical. And next, once the relationships are ready, visualization part in this area. So data bringing, transforming, storage relationships, visualization. And if this part is completed, we'll move to service. Service is cloud. Server is on-premise. And through service, we'll share to customer, or server we share to customers. And the customers access either service or server according to their interest, browse, analyze. So they use mobile, tab, laptop, all these platforms for their analysis. This is a final output, and we call it as end-to-end process. So Power BI can bring the data from anywhere. End-to-end process it will implement. So we call it a self-service BI. Since we're able to do all this in single area, you're not going to any other tool. You're not going to use any other component. Power BI level built-in functionality is there. And then you'll move to cloud to share the report, server to share the report. Without this, it is not possible. So definition level, this is pending. So I explain. Fully graphical, very less code we write it. And that less code also in this area. DAX for calculations, power pivoting level. Some people write mashup also, not compulsory, but this is. And because of this, it's called as a low code application, Power BI. All of you clear? Good. So just open the video once or go through the document. You will understand everything clearly. Next part. So data, BI, Power BI, reporting. Then do we have market for Power BI? Sir, it is creating a report, dashboard, scorecard, and paginated, non-paginated, everything. And do we have market for Power BI? Yes, guys. Because of the services, any type of data and this creation possible in the Power BI, reporting all types supporting in the Power BI. So market is very huge. Do we have market for Power BI? Power BI used by the report developers. There's an opportunity. Here, paginated reporting and non-paginated reporting created. So Power BI and SQL knowledge is required. And you can try as a BA developer. And here is a place the analytical reporting we create. I already showed you, and which is nothing but non-paginated report, advanced report. Mostly analytical reporting, no paginated. And the same Power BI required in data analyst side. Data analytical people use Excel, Python, these kind of components. To present it, again, they are using Power BI. And data scientist people, they use different types of components. And finally, to present it, they require Power BI. Sir, what data analysts will do and data scientists will do, I will explain if we have time today. Otherwise, I will cover in the regular classes. But these people to present the data, Power BI required. And Power BI they are using also. That's the reason more market. Even recently, Microsoft given Fabric. It is single component, single solution with AI enabled. For what? For data analysts, data scientists, data stewards, a data citizenship role, and multiple roles. Single cloud solution for all this. Scientists, analysts, and multiple people use. There also we use Power BI for reporting. So Fabric plus Power BI. Data Citizen plus Power BI. And there are companies who are already using Excel and they are migrating to Power BI because simple, easy to use, and great facilities, mobile accessible, tab accessible. So people preferring. And last 2-3 years, many non-IT companies they asked us for training on Power BI to train their Excel resources to Power BI, to train their managers to work on Power BI. Like this, Power BI providing a wide range in different areas. So if someone says no market for Power BI, don't believe. It is a number one BA tool. Let me show you guys. If you see the statistics, Gartner rating, Microsoft named a leader in Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BA platforms. Don't ask anyone, don't listen to other people. It's a leader. And not from last year or 2 years ago. We are thrilled to announce that 17th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. So Microsoft is a leader for the last 17 years, guys. Initially MSBA and then Azure BA, now Power BI continuing it. See, Microsoft is a leader. This is a genuine statistic. Even you see Forrester Wave, one more company, they also said Microsoft named a leader in the Forrester Wave augmented platforms. Leader. See, Power BI is a suite of business analytics tools to analyze data, to share insights. You can analyze, you can share insights, monitor your business, and get answers quickly with rich dashboards available on every device. Mobile supported, tab supported, laptop supported, desktop supported, all supported. And here you will find Power BI versions. Power BI released in July 2013, as I told you. Every month we have an update. We don't have versions. Every month we have an update, and this is a current update recently given. But for the last few months, the updates are AI updates only more and more. February update. So Power BI latest update. So old functionality reduced. So direct lake today. Yeah, this they may be still uploading it. This is the area you'll find it. Understand? So because of this reason, if you look at opportunities, Power BI opportunities, as a fresher, you can try with 0 to 1 year experience. And this year, not at started, but last year, 6 to 7 companies approached us for fresher role, basic knowledge or 1 year experience. And experience also you can try Power BI developer or report developer, less than 5 years. So Power BI and the low code language DAX you learn and SQL, 90% opportunities on this only. No need to learn complete SQL. So guys who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number quickly. You receive demo video and document. In case you want to talk to me regarding your career or anything, yeah, this is my contact number. You please reach out to me. I'm happy to address your questions. Don't hesitate, guys. Usually trainers are the single point of contact for all kinds of questions. Please reach out to me. Utilize my services. And I will stop the session sharply at 9:12, sharply 9:12 a.m. Kindly stay tuned. Sharp. 10 more minutes only. Yeah. So you can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin resource and Power BI plus MSBI. So this is one more component and this combination and Power BI plus Tableau and Power BI plus Vindhya. Give me 2 minutes, Vindhya. Power BI plus Azure, Data Lake, AAS, Power BI plus Lakehouse, Power BI plus Synapse or Databricks, different combinations, and more opportunities on this combination, Power BI plus SQL. And Power BI senior role. My course is good enough to try on this, no doubt in that. And Power BI senior role you want to try above 5 years, you can try as a modeler, designer, specialist, architect. These are. But with this learning, you cannot do it, guys. You cannot try on it. At least 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge is required to try on these positions. And no trainer can give you that much knowledge to try as a senior resource. But these are the different opportunities in Power BI. And you can try as a data scientist fresher with Power BI, data scientist experienced, and data analyst fresher, data analyst experienced. And some companies, Power Apps, Power Automate plus Power BI. These are Power Platform components plus Power BI, Fabric plus Power BI. Like this, different combinations available. You need to select one nice path to try on. But for all this, the origin is Power BI plus SQL. First you start up, later you take a decision. You want to purely try on this or you want to go on this. In case you want to go as a data analyst, Power BI SQL is common, learn Excel, Python. Or you want to try as a scientist, Power BI SQL common, learn Excel, Python, ML, Spark, PySpark, like this. But origin is this. Even you want to go as a Power Platform developer, Power BI compulsory, and SQL is compulsory, later this. So these are the different opportunities. Then what is Power Platform? So guys, with the super success of Power BI in 2013, Microsoft given Similar low-code components, Power Apps, Power Automate, Virtual Agent, Power Pages, and all these components, separate tools, not concepts. All these components under one umbrella called Power Platform. So Power Platform having 5 components. Power BI, it is a separate application for report generation. Power Apps, it is a low-code application for mobile and tab-friendly apps. Power Automate, it is a low-code application for robotic process automation. Virtual Agent, it is a low-code application for intelligent chatbots. Power Pages, it is a low-code application for websites and web pages. So a Power Platform having 5 components. So Power BI plus these all combination also you can try as a Power Platform developer. One more opportunity. Now Fabric. What is Fabric? Guys, I told you Fabric is a modern cloud solution, all-in-one solution, all-in-one solution, suitable for data scientists, data analysts, data citizens, data engineers. Everyone it is suitable, all four. And if you learn Power BI in this Fabric level, data science level, data analyst level, data citizen level, you can provide your support in these 3 areas. Sir, a scientist, analyst, citizen, can you tell me the differences? Don't worry, in the regular class, I'll give you detailed understanding about each and every role. Who is engineer, who is scientist, and what analyst does, and what citizen does. Everything I'll explain you in detail in the regular class. But this is one cloud solution where Power BI is used in all the areas. Know about your environment, guys. I'm explaining about your environment. Next part. So Power Platform, Power BI, Fabric, Power BI. Opportunities explain. And nowadays, Power BI having AI features. So some people asking about AI in Power BI. Do you have knowledge on AI in Power BI? Or AI features you know? I'm clicking on it. Yes, guys. AI in Power BI. We have Copilot in the AI. Copilot is the Power BI assistant, AI assistant. It will help you to create your own reports, own language queries or expressions. And the Copilot will help you to summarize the data. It will help you to generate insights. So multiple purposes, this assistant is helpful. And this feature is called as generative AI feature. Generative AI feature. So Power BI nowadays we have AI, generative AI in the Power BI. But if you want to use Power BI for AI purpose, you need to prepare data for AI. I'll give you some understanding about this part. In case better license we have in detail, I will explain. If we don't have license, at least I'll give you some understanding on this. But we also have AI in Power BI, so AI cannot replace Power BI. We can use AI in Power BI, but AI cannot replace Power BI. Please remember. Sir, you said about different opportunities, even AI. And what is the course content you are covering? Yes, course content. To make you suitable for all these opportunities, this is a course content plan for you. Power BI subject, cloud I explain, on-premise also explain. On-premises means you will install in your local servers and practice. And cloud, somebody else's storage, Microsoft Cloud and practice. So these are the cloud components. These are the on-premises components. Both I'm explaining. And also I'll give you environmental support like warehousing concepts, modeling concepts, agile methodology, lifecycle model, one versioning component, and multiple real-time, sorry, yeah, 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies for a better hands-on and detailed knowledge. Database knowledge, I'll give you 3-4 hours and I'll guide you what to learn for interview purpose and real-time working purpose. And Microsoft Fabric and Azure, I will cover for 2 hours. Power Apps, Power Automate, I will cover for 2 to 3 hours. Finally, job trials. You require resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, 100% will provide you. So this is the course content I'm explaining for the next 2 months so that you can try as a developer, analyst, scientist, everywhere suitable. This is high level. Sir, I want to see low level. Don't worry, guys. Today you receive the low level content in two formats. So this is a checklist. See, this is the order I will take the classes. First 2 days demos, followed by important terms, and then case study one, Power BI software installation, and each and every topic, how long I'm covering, I clearly mention here. In a professional way, standard way will follow. Each and every topic, how long we will cover. So when do we cover which topic? And this detailed one available here. Power BI cloud level, what are the topics I'm covering? And data extraction, what are the sources I'm covering? Power query concepts, that is transformation concepts. DAX concepts. And SQL and Power BI, what I'm covering here. In case you want to learn what you need to learn. So these are the SQL topics you need to learn. I told you 9 topics. These are the 9 topics. This checklist you will get. In case you habituated for PDF document, yes, I will share the PDF also. This is a course PDF. Power BI training, course PDF. So a brief content, checklist, classroom content, and general PDF content. What I'm covering, whatever I mention here, everything I will cover. That's why you are suitable for multiple opportunities. Next, normal fast track difference. Which way I should go? Guys, I take normal track only 60 hours. Maximum detailed subject I will give you. With the help of it, you can try for opportunities and you can work in companies. But you want to go for a fast track, attend my batches parallelly to, or take join in one batch, take previous batch videos. This is one more way. A dedicated fast track required, yes, evening 8 to 9 slot is there, evening 8 to 9:30. And my colleague will take, he is already working employee, he will take 8 to 9:30, you can join for it. 1 month he will complete. That's a fast track we are going to start from Friday or Monday, evening 8 to 9:30. Sir, I don't have much time to attend fast track and this. I just want videos. Yeah, I'll give you my videos. You can refer to the videos also. These are the multiple ways to take the training and my classes. Last one. Why should I go for an institute when videos available? Sir, you have many videos in the YouTube, but this kind of systematic explanation, data first. BA will take data and generate this. What is this? What is report paginated and non-paginated? And Power BA, market, like this, you will not get it. And some couple of other also I'll explain. Systematic learning you cannot get from the videos. Daily updates you want with the content coverage and good materials required and projects, case studies, resume guidance, and Power BI Cloud for practice, some interview questions, and support. These are all not possible when you go through YouTube and other videos. That's the reason you should learn from a good trainer. All of you clear? So today, completely I explain data, BI, Power BI, and Microsoft in the Power BI, Power Platform, AI features, this stuff. Tomorrow, we'll continue with recap of today's demo for 10 minutes and then Power BI components, concepts, installation part, one end-to-end example we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow is the second demo. Please don't absent. I'm going to cover this part. You'll come to know the software usage very effectively tomorrow. So today, awareness of the market and different components. And tomorrow, Power BI deep dive with one example. Please don't absent tomorrow. So I'm done with the content, whatever I planned for today. You will receive video and document after this session. Kindly go through. Now start asking your questions. I will address your questions. In case you're not able to ask, I already provided my contact number. Please reach out to me on my contact number.